Making good progress today up here, not too much traffic. Have an Aerox behind me. He's going to the left. Let's see if you can go around him. That's the shop, the store of my friend Philly the Philippines and Lut. But they're away at the moment. They've gone to La Union for a long weekend trip, so I don't think they're in their store today. Right, in the distance it's MacArthur. There's a nice gas station here. It's my local gas station where I top up my bike. Central. You're giving way to traffic from the right. That's one of the jeepney stands, and then the main one is just up here in one of the side streets up here. This is always busy at the top end here because there's lots of fruit and vegetable stores, so you get a lot of the local people coming out and buying their food for their next meal. Yeah. Once we clear this junction, it's all systems go, and we're moving quite well then. Let's go around these two. Right, you're going to turn a left here. Straight on is to Dao, and then straight on here would take you up to SM Mall, but we're going left here. We're heading to Fields Avenue. I don't know what some of these cars are doing. I don't trust their direction here. Around in between the Jeep and the car. That was a close one. He's in the wrong lane. Let's go. There's a small police outpost here. Quite often on this bend they'll stop all the bikes, doing checks on them for helmets, exhausts. So far I've never been stopped on that corner, but I don't know whether it's because I'm a foreigner or whether it's my bike, but they're always looking out for people not wearing helmets and people with loud exhaust systems on their bikes. You know, Walking Street is closed to traffic now because it's beyond 3:30 p.m. Normally I would take a shortcut at Walking Street, but we're just going to head down MacArthur to the bridge. I always forget, is it the Alcan Bridge or Alban Bridge? Alcan Bridge? Not supposed to be in this lane. For overtaking, I think it's okay. Oop. They've just recently re-tarmacked this road, so it's absolutely beautiful to ride on now. It was chaos for about a week and a half, but now you can see both sides of the road. Brand new tarmac. They've just done all the white line marking over the last day or two, and it literally is a dream to ride down here at the moment. It used to be full of all pit holes and uneven surface, but now it's just beautiful. Right, we're just passing the Savers Appliance Mall, where you can pick up all your TVs, electricals, refrigerators, etc. Yeah, this traffic is a bit stop-start today. There's a lot of traffic officers along this road today. Got some significant traffic up ahead. Sometimes you can just fly up here, but not today. Coming up on the left, on the right, sorry, is a whole row of glass suppliers. I've been looking here. I bought a couple of tables for my new home and I want to cover them in glass tops. Yeah, there's about 5 or 6 different stores, all custom cutting glass to whatever size you want, size and shape. Right, we're coming up over the bridge. Underneath the bridge you have a large number of squatter families. Can't really see it with the camera today, but there's a whole community that live along the stretch by the bridge here, and generally they're not supported in any way, so, or not officially. There's a couple of expat feeding programs that regularly feed the kids on a daily basis, but nothing officially from the local government. So it's quite sad sometimes to see the life that they're having to lead. Just squeezing in between the traffic at the moment. It'll get to a point where I might not be able to in a minute because of my side boxes. I'm hoping this microphone is picking up the sound better than the standard mic on the front. Right, cut over to the right here so I can avoid most of the traffic on this roundabout. Go, 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 David. Right, this is the main road into Xxxx city. Thought we'd just go for a little run down there. Two-lane road. Again, it's a nice road to ride, apart from you have to look out for a lot of hazards, people popping out from nowhere, people suddenly stopping with no indicator, so it can be a bit hairy, but it's still a nice ride. Police station coming up here. I forget which number this is. They all have numbers, the police station, but I don't know the number of this one. It's getting quite busy here. Off to the left is a shortcut, which I often take because it's quite hard to park in Xxxx city, and down to the left there is a shortcut that allows me to park in the street that the hospital is in.